want to welcome you. I think the Czech Republic has been incredibly supportive and friendly. We have no better friends in Europe, and we appreciate the support, the expression of support, the flying of the Israeli flag over a government building, the positions expressed by both President Zeman and Prime Minister Babic and so many of the Czech people, and we're very, very grateful. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Prime Minister, for such kind words, and it's good to be here, and it's good to be here among friends.
Indeed, thank you, thank you. Please. Well, I brought you a present. This is, we are engaged with Hamas and Islamic Jihad, but the support for Hamas and Islamic Jihad comes from Iran. If you take away Iranian support, both of them would collapse in 2 weeks. And this is a wing of an armed drone that we intercepted fired by Iranian forces from either Iraq or Syria through Jordan. We intercepted this in the border of Jordan and Israel, in a kibbutz actually, a few days ago, during the fighting. So Iran not only supports these various terrorist proxies, it actually engages itself in armed attacks against Israel. And here's proof. But I can't give it to you, I can just show it to you.
Well,
thank you.